Hello guys, my name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background very fast using Photoshop. So what you'll do, just come here. I'll use this image here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll just come here and just choose this selection tool. I'll just drag it over where the subject I want to remove the background. Then you wait for a few seconds. Then boom. After that, you come here and select and mask. Then you come in this side, you can manipulate, like in this place here, there's some hand here where, so you can adjust here or adjust here and there. Then you just make sure that you tick this, because then you just say okay. That is the fastest way to remove a background in an image. Then you can just come here and apply layer mask. Now there's this place here where the background was not properly removed. You can easily use this tool called the eraser tool, but use it carefully. So you have to right click, adjust it, then you can just rub this place carefully like so. So you zoom in and zoom out using control plus and control minus. Then after that, maybe this place here looks white. You can also use something called colon stamp. This tool, colon tool, whereby you can press Alt key to sample an area. Like maybe this area is black. I click it, then you come and rub it here so that it covers that area like so. Now that's how to remove a background. Let's say I want to change the background. What do I do? I just come to File, Place Embedded, then I look for a background. Maybe I want to put in this guy in this background like so. Then I just place here like so. Then it will be on top here. The next thing I'll come to do, I'll come click on the layers, drag it below. Here, that's how to change the background of an image in Photoshop. Have a nice time, have a nice day guys. That's the simplest way to remove a background. Check out for my other videos that I'll show you how to remove complicated background. Peace.